Hello world, and welcome to my channel. This video is on a King's 75 litre dual zone fridge I just bought just recently. Yeah, I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm going to unbox it and then I will check it out, and then I will put the current drawers through and I'll show you how it works. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. This is it. It's a King's 75 litre camping fridge. The model and the dimensions there, the weights and everything, and I will unpack it. So this is it. One side can be fridge, one side can be freezer, and vice versa. Now, the reason why I got a King's fridge, because it ticked most of my boxes. Not like some other brands. So I'll go through it while I'm showing you this. It had reversible lids, so the lids can go on that side or they can go on this side, so you can swap them around and have the controls to whichever side you want. That was important to me. It's lightweight. Now, most of the fridges have metal cases for durability and all that type of thing, but I don't need one with a metal case because it's going to go inside a camper trailer and going to stay there. This is 10 kilos or more lighter than most of the other models. So it is actually 19.5 kilos. It's got a plastic finish on the inside. The other ones have a painted metal finish. So you can work on 12 volt or 240 volt. And as I said, it's a dual zone. Now the size, it's 480 millimeters wide, which is across here. The length of it, which is along here, it is 879, and the height from there up to where the lids are is 462. Now it'll hold 112 cans, and the temperature can vary between plus 10 degrees C to minus 18 degrees C. Now it has adjustable power cut-offs from low, medium and high, so you can protect your battery from overdraw. Also, the power draw. If both of them are at fridge, which is 3 degrees, it only draws 1.6 amps per hour, which is 38.4 amps per 24-hour period. So I repeat that again, it's 1.6 amps per hour, 38.4 amps in 24 hours. If one side is at 3 degrees and the other side is at minus 15, it will draw 3.3 amps per hour, and it'll be 79.2 amps per 24 hours. Has a C-cop compressor with variable speeds. Now C-cop, that was important as well. I wanted a C-cup compressor. Now, there's a couple of downsides to it. I will point these out. A, it's so new that there's no tie-down points on it. They're still in quarantine, and what you do is you put them onto here and you tie them down with straps. Comes with a kit. I can make something up, so it's not a big deal. And it only has a 12 months warranty, whereas some of them will have a 3-year warranty, some have a 2-year warranty, and some have a 5-year warranty. Now, to give you a comparison, a kick-ass 75 litre fridge, I was really looking at that, that was 32 kilos compared to 19.5. That comes with a 5-year warranty, and that was just under $1,200. There's an XTM 75 litre. That's normally $12.99, but at the moment it is $7.99. I was leaning towards that one. A Dometic fridge, or a Waco, is normally $18.49, but you can get them cheaper, around about $1,400, $1,500, something like that. Brass Monkey. Now I've got a small Brass Monkey 15 litre. Now I've had a tiny bit of trouble with that. In the canopy, it doesn't like it, and it does come up with a fault code of overheating. So I've pulled it out and put it on the back seat of my ute, and it's been working fine there, but I didn't want to go that way. The big 75 litres have a 3-year warranty and an LG compressor. And the Austrail 80 is similar weight, which is 30 kilos, and yeah, the Brass Monkey one is $7.29, and the Austrail 80 litre is $5.99 at the moment. So I could have got it expensive, but I'm only a weekend warrior. I only go out maybe, I don't know, 6 or 7 times a year at the moment. And the cheaper fridges I've had in the past have lasted 8 years. So if I get 8 years out of this, I'll be really, really happy. But it's a neat looking fridge. Okay, now what it does, it comes with the user manual. It comes with the cables. So one's 240 volt cable, the other is a cigarette lighter a plug. I'm going to cut that off and put an Anderson plug on, but I think I already got one from another fridge I forgot, so I'll try and fit that. I'm pretty sure it's a standard one, or I can get them from JK. Nice finish. Removable baskets. And there's lights on either section. That's a removable basket there. So you can have freezer, fridge, or freezer and fridge, whichever you like. That comes down, clicks in, nice and tight. Now, as I said, I went for a lighter weight one, because you can put 10 kilos of food in there to bring it up to the weight of the others. Even 12 kilos with the kick-ass one. There's access to these panels here to get in there to check it out. Good strong handles to carry it, and I said it's only 19.5 kilos empty, so just about anybody can carry it. Yeah. Seals will be removable and replaceable. Yeah, so that's it. That is my King's 75 litre dual zone fridge. Okay, normally these fridges are for sale for around $6.49 plus $40 postage or freight and handling. You can go to a King store and get them for $6.49. At the moment they're $6.39 delivered from the King store, but they had a special on just recently, and they was for $551. So I paid $551. I didn't want a cover because it's going in a camper trailer and they hinder the cooling effect on some of them. I've taken them off on several of my fridges and don't use them anymore. So yeah, so I paid $551 from a King store in Townsville, North Queensland, and that'll be available through any King store. But you can get them delivered for $40, so $6.39 delivered at the moment from King's 44 Supercentre. This video is only going to be on the unboxing and the viewing of it and the information. I will do another video on the current drawer, not on this one, on economy and high settings and things like that, with watt meters and things like that. So it's going to take a bit to do and set it up, but I will do that in another video. So it'll be coming up probably following this video. Well, I hope you like this video. As I said, my reasons for going to King's, even though there's a lot of haters out there, I believe the gear is fit for purpose. It doesn't suit everybody, it suits me. I have King's lights, I have King's 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 different items in the car from King's, and they all have served me well. But I'm only a weekend warrior and I believe it does me. It's a compressor fridge made by Seacop, variable speed, low current draw, reversible lids, lightweight. They're all positives in my opinion. And I'm 63 going on 64. The weight would mean a fair bit because I have broken my back recently and recovering from that, and I'm getting older every year, surprisingly. So anyway, I hope you like it. If you do, as I say, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.